call.
Factory.
One phone call with my money goes.
I'm not even have to do it physically.
60,000.
One cool it up in me send off fire, you know.
Go ring out your mother.
One cool it up in me send.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say the attacking boss, they are the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So before me start the topic, here are people. Me know say a lot of people forward on the channel at times and they must say, NEWLINK, what kind of story that you cover? NEWLINK can run. You know what I mean, people? But look here. You don't know me, it's a diverse blogger, you know. When it come on to story, people, me cover a different set of story. Not just new stuff, you don't know, because we have all type of fans that's watching us. So you have to understand. You see me? Attack. So what me I say now, people? You don't know, say, a TikTok live session I go on over on TikTok with Jaden and Rosealee. You don't know, so Rosealee, where you don't know, oh, for your thing go already. You don't know the pass and gone. So, you don't know, so Rosealee, you know, she and Lisa hype a swiper. Them on a friend. Because you don't know, say, Rosealee claims, say, Lisa hype a swiper, work car, and a PR money or money, me people. You see me? So you don't know, so Rosealee want buck Lisa hype a long time, whether upon TikTok or personal. Anyway, so it do happen where Jaden must say Jaden add Lisa swiper now, my people, to a live session where him and Rosealee depend. And my people, hell broke loose. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. People, I want you all to check out this live session with Rosealee and Lisa Swiper Hyper. Buck up right par live with Jay Sheng, Nyam Sheng, right there too. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, and remember to do a like my video. Please like my video, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all social media platforms, NEWLINK Production Official. People, check it out. I'm out.
I want my money. I
want to reach from my thing, Father God.
I want.
Me nah do that energy,
man. My money.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. Can I pay me, miss?
Rosealee, you show me dirty colors from the TikTok, mama.
I don't care, you need to pay me.
Yeah, but me not going on that energy right now. You're not getting no more money. Go suck your mama.
Yeah,
you want to give you some blood clot liquid at two before.
Okay, we have a problem, but
go suck your mama and come off of my life. You're ungrateful, drunk. You poison them and go poison your blood clot and kill you because you love your belly too much. Go suck your mama.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Oh.
You owe my money.
Go and exalt yourself. He who exalt themselves shall be amazed. You go down in your house and have some buckle boom wake up your blood clot. Go suck your mama. No money you not get.
I want exactly.
No
you
money.
Don't want to pay me.
No money you not
Exactly.
Suck your mama and come off of my life. You're not ashamed. Me say if you're not ashamed.
You're so cocky like that.
Oh you mean? I mean not stop sucking. Me not stop sucking. Me not stop sucking. Me not even argument with you. Come off of my life. I want me get her. No money you not get.
Me not fuck you. You're mad.
No money you not get. None. No, what you mean? Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yes. 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 That's why when me see you and fuck you, nothing not gonna come outside because I'm mad. Remember, you know? Remember, me tell you, you know.
Bring out your mother cartel piss.
No money you not get. No money you not get. You should have make use of the 50 grand when me give you. Yeah, man.
For your 12 cartel them a freak you. I mean, I feel much of fuck with y'all.
Are you come from my life? Are you come from my life?
Your guys are
big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself.
Guys are dog bed.
Yeah, man.
Gaza dog bed.
Yeah, man.
Gaza dog bed.
Yeah,
Move
man.
your blood clot, cartel
Yeah,
piss and
man.
shit in your mouth.
Them a go
Cartel shit
poison
and piss in
you.
your mouth.
A poison them a go poison you.
Me a go this stuff for my
Poison.
money.
This,
Me a go
and
this
you
stuff
could
for
have
my
this
money.
little more,
Me
you
a go
still not
this
get
stuff for
no
my money.
money.
Me a
Go
go
fuck
this
your
stuff for my
mama.
money. But ring out your one mad girl.
Yeah, man.
Cartel kiss and
Yeah,
shit in
man.
your
I'm gonna
mouth.
fix you, see?
Long time
I'm
no
gonna fix
cat.
you.
Long
You
time
say,
yam batty.
if me
Long
not
time
fix you, my name change.
Long time
Don't
no
worry
belly
yourself.
bottom.
Long run shortcut, yeah?
Y'all can't breathe.
Long run
shortcut.
shortcut.
Long
Remember
time
me know where you're there.
I got this stuff for my money.
Remember me know where you're there and Jake's
Me not hide.
glad save you.
Me not hide.
You don't need to hide. Me no want you hide. Me want you push your body.
Blood clot.
Me want you push your body.
For your head any time.
Yeah.
You have me. All of my them have guns. I'm not afraid of you, bitch. Me ask you for my bomb clot.
Not here.
Where you
Yeah,
be
not here.
Me tell you, bro, you can't do my one phone call.
Battery.
One phone call with my money goes.
I'm not even have to do it physically.
60,000.
One cool it up in me send off fire, you know.
Go ring out your mother.
One cool it up in me send off fire, you know.
Gun. Anything or anything.
You try not eat no food and put it down and go back feed. Pussy. So you love your belly? You try not eat no food and put it down and go
Next
name
to
it
that
back.
freak and piss in your mouth.
Yeah, oh you mean?
Next to that
Oh
shit
you
in your
mean?
mouth.
Me a real freak.
Why you dog
Me a
bed?
real freak.
Dog
Oh you
bed.
mean?
Where?
Suck your
Chain
mama.
mattress.
And your belly you go get. And your belly you go kill you.
And a alone fuck you.
No, no Dexter alone fuck me. My pussy too good for one man fuck me. You want me call out all the man never fuck me?
Call them
I feel like you
and a Dexter alone fuck you.
No, no, Dexter alone fuck me. My pussy too good.
Everywhere you go, you turn mattress. Everywhere you go, you turn mattress. Everywhere you go, you turn mattress. Everywhere you go, you turn mattress.
Rat pies, you never get
battery, you big man. More battery, dally. You know bad man spice, no blood clot. Your bad man spice, no blood clot. Come on, dirty girl. When you walk about, go argue in the studio. Go argue in the studio.
I don't chat to you.
It's
come off of my life. You know what
bad man, you come off of my life. I'm not move. I am me work.
You know say I want
one in the studio. I am me work. It's here I work. Going to the studio. It's here I
but
work.
I never had your baby and you come from.
I
Take her. I want to take her off. Take her off, bad.
Come on and lift up. So good, girl. They be afraid of you.
I'm not stop so good.
Stop me in your blood clot for my money. You think you're mad yet, girl? Come on my yard, you see something. I said me not chop you up for my blood clot. Now fuck with me pity them blood clots for I make it slide. Big pussy girl come bigger than that.
Rose,
What is 60 blood clot those like dirty girl?
Rose, stop
now
that.
fuck with my food. I mean actually some bigger than that.
Pussy you pick with them I got dead for hungry because you love your belly too much.
And
the 50 grand when me give you, you take it and buy me your clothes and underpants for chicks. Go suck your mama.
40,000 like give me body mouth. Body mouth of 40,000 like give me. Pay $2,000. Body mouth of 40,000 like give me.
That's why you go start selling back peanut, you know.
Body mouth.
You ungrateful enough pussy.
Then if you
me say, and that's why you go start sell back peanut. And you see when you sell up, then you go back at town.
You go start sell back pussy.
No, we never sell pussy. Before me sell pussy, me go turn an assassin.
You have to eat him, John. More body mouth, girl. You're bad man, everybody.
I mean, make you more your tongue.
You're bad man.
I mean, make you more your
tongue.
See them? I mean, make you start so cocky.
Can't stop
fuck you. The queen. I mean, make you start so cocky. I mean, make you start so cocky. And Jake's cocky cheesy kind of beard. That cheesy would get the home and suck. And Jake's no beard. Don't suck your mama. Under your breast sour no blood clot.
And the breast supposed to sow. Remember you don't want
to fuck me. From my bum.
Remember you don't want to fuck me.
Mash up my bum.
Remember you don't want to fuck me, Salamite girl. Remember who to fuck you.
Salamite, my name can't come from that.
Fuck you.
My name can't come from that. Andrew Oles Mwangi Abakas right now.
It's a long time.
Mr. Andrew Oles Mwangi Abakas right now.
Andrew Oles want to fuck your mad girl.
Suck your mama.
One cocaine. One crack house. Thanks, Jaden. Thanks.
I don't know.
Thank you.
But me no do nothing. Me just, I don't know, me no do nothing.
I'ma say thanks.
No thank me, no put me in it.
And I say thank you, baby, because a long time I confront her for my money. What a black boy and Lisa, come off of this.